to quite settled weather, I think, for most parts of the country in the week ahead. Not that means that we aren't going to have some problems, but we are going to have high pressure with us. There's the chart at the moment. There's the chart on Friday. Spot the difference. Well, there is a little bit of a difference. The high has lifted northwards, which is actually fairly important. Earlier on today, there was quite a lot of cloud across the north of the country, and that made a big difference to the temperatures. Those reindeer probably didn't like the fact that it was 10 degrees in Ullapool, for instance, whereas it had fallen to -8 degrees at Birmingham. Now, during this morning, those temperatures have crept up in most parts, but they're still below freezing in one or two areas where the mist and fog has lingered. And more than that, I think come this evening, we're going to find a widespread frost setting in as those temperatures tumble back. We do have some fog at the moment around the Chilterns, for instance, in the Thames Valley, a little bit of patchy cloud to the north, but I think most places will be dry this afternoon with some sort of watery late winter sunshine. A little bit of cloud in the far north, giving some spots of drizzle, and those patches of fog lingering in parts of the Midlands, South Midlands and southeast England. And that fog coming back with a vengeance tonight, quite a widespread thick fog, freezing fog in many parts of the country. And we are going to find frost tonight in Northern Ireland and some of those more eastern parts of Scotland, Northern England, that escaped last night because of that cloud. High pressure there right the way through tomorrow. Again, we could well find some of that freezing fog lingering all day, especially in the Midlands and some of these more southern and eastern areas. But most parts dry again, a bit on the chilly side, but some hazy sunshine as well. And then the frost comes back again tomorrow night, particularly sharp frost in the more central and western parts, near to some coast, temperatures staying above freezing. Maybe a hint of a weak front moving down across northern and eastern areas on Tuesday, taking with it a little bit of cloud and maybe a spot or two of rain, but the mist and fog thinning away to give most parts again some hazy sunshine. But because of that cloud working its way down eastern areas, the frost on Tuesday night, Wednesday morning, more likely to be in the western areas as well as following along behind across Scotland. More isobars around the middle of the week as the high shifts away to the north, so a cold wind picking up across southern and southeastern areas, and that wind could well bring in with it one or two wintry showers, but most places are going to be dry, again with some sunshine from time to time. Come Wednesday night and Thursday, we find frost, again mostly in the more western areas because of that stiff breeze, and that stiff breeze is going to be there actually towards the end of the week, coming in from the east, coming in from the continent, so it will be quite a cold wind, I think. It's the western areas with the more shelter where the frost is, at least to begin with, and again there could be some wintry showers, especially across the southeast.